I have for you a magnifying headband, which is these here are the magnifying lenses. They come in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different strengths, so really good for when you're doing crafting or you want to do reading or whatever. These are these. This here is the headband, comes with a charger and with the cleaning cloth and with this fantastic little carrier bag, so really nice. So this here is the headband. As you can see, there's even a small lens at the side, and on this part here you can charge, so fits in here, and there is the light that you can use, and the lenses it's size adjustable on this side here and on that one. And here you can unlock it too. And when you put it on, this is really nice, the headband, that you have the mesh here, so your forehead is protected. And as you can see here, you can put it in front of your eyes and then craft away. It's really, really good. I absolutely love it. This is perfect for when your eyesight is getting weaker and you still want to do crafting or knitting or whatever. I absolutely love it. It's available in my Amazon storefront. Go have a look.